everyone. I'm really happy to be here today, the first of all. I would like to say to introduction myself to you. My name is Lani Song. I'm 17 years old. I live in Sasibun Province, Anupur City, Pasingan Village. I would like to say thanks so much for your the best time to join my present. My topic is bird of every day. So let's now together. I get up 5 o'clock 30 minutes. I'm cooking about 7 o'clock and I eat breakfast after finish. Then I go to school about 7 o'clock 30 minutes and attend classes about 8 o'clock 30 minutes. I did learn about 11 o'clock. I eating rice after finish. Then I will go to school about 1 o'clock and did learn 3 o'clock. I learn more at 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Then I get home, eating rice and take shower. Or 8 o'clock watching books. About 1 o'clock and play my phone. Then 10 o'clock I already sleep. Until right now my present eating. If you would have any question, please ask me.
Okay, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so very good. Give me one please. Okay, thank you.